again. Let's pull these clips up. Well, that ain't gonna be easy. Oh, that's for the bottom one, okay. Well, put a little PV blaster on the connections to see if that would loosen them up a little bit, because I don't think they've ever been changed. This van is almost 20 years old, so there it went. Don't know if you can see it or not, but that bracket there is locked, held by this slot, and this one also. And boy, that thing is stiff. Well, that's nice. There's the headlight. Don't touch those. It'll ruin them if you touch them. Because when they get hot, the oil in your skin will cause that to break. Pretty nasty looking, isn't it? Let's go get the new one. There is the new one. And it comes with a brand new headlamp too, already installed, so I guess I can get kind of excited about that. I wasn't expecting it. So we'll just plug that back in, and hopefully take a real quick look at this adjustment and see if it's close to the original, so the headlight adjustment for the way it hit the road is not going to have to take too much readjustment. That looks pretty close. We're going to go ahead and snap that in, I hope. That's interesting. That clip appears to be shorter by a noticeable amount than that one. Not a reason in the world why that shouldn't be going in. But we'll do a little in-depth inspection. It's going to take some more work, of course, because the new one couldn't get the top bracket piece to go in. I could not figure out why it wouldn't work until I took the old one off and started looking at it, and noticed that there's notches in the back plate. On the new one, there is only one notch, nothing down here. This one actually has 4. Why it was manufactured like that, I have no idea. After notching that out, that little puppy snapped in there without any difficulty at all. It'll probably need some adjustment, but yeah, I can do that. Now this one, there it went. headlight in. Finally. I don't know about the adjustment, but see how flared out that light is from all that frosting. This should project straight out a whole lot better than before. And if nothing else, at least it's really quite pretty. On to the next flight, and now I know exactly what I have to do. Well, that one came out okay. Of course, I had lubricated it in. There it came. All right. So now, whole assembly just pulls out. Take the headlight plug off, and I don't have to worry about any of this because the new one has everything already built in. So all I'm going to have to do is put a notch in that connector there on the new headlight, and that old nasty looking thing, and I have repaired this, polished it, cleaned it probably 6 or 8 times in the last almost 20 years that I've had the van. So we're getting there. This should be as simple is creating a notch just like that one right here. Well, if I didn't shake so much, it'd be easier. But I could use a nibbling tool for this, but I don't have one. We'll take out a little bit of it and kind of clean that out a little bit with the razor knife. Now if I did this all right, this thing ought to just snap back in there in a flash. So I spent 2 hours on the other side and just a few minutes on this one. Guess what? It worked. And it worked. Thanks, y'all, for watching. Learn something every day. I got new headlights.